boxy cross, they're just brawling.
Bridgetown, I'm from Bridgetown, nigga.
Yo guys, what's going on? You already know it's your boy DJ Shmood, and you see the thumbnail, you see the title. Let me dive straight into it. Boom. So your boy get an upgrade. You know you're gonna upgrade eventually. So let me show y'all the little upgrade I get. You understand? I was on Amazon and I bought this here, the Tonor TC30. It costs roughly around 30 US, which is 60 Bajan. And is it the best USB mic on the market? We gonna find out today. But this microphone is ideal for gaming, streaming, podcasts, voiceover acting, Skype, Twitch, YouTube, which is what I will mainly be using it for, obviously, because y'all seen the video. Talk to me. Yeah, and it compatible with Mac, Windows, Linux. I don't know if it's compatible with Linux. So yeah, it's literally plug and play. It has a cardioid pattern, which means you can speak directly into the mic and all the unwanted background noise. You ain't gonna hear that shit. So we're gonna do a little unboxing now. Yeah. So let me just find a way now to open this bad boy. I don't know why people just make it so hard, bro. Don't be judging me while they opening this here. You understand? So, oh, what the hell, bro? All right. Yeah. You wanna see that here? Wanna see that? Check it. Oh my God! All right. So what we get in this little box? So we get a manual, 2-year warranty. Yeah. Fuck the instruction manual. This is the pop filter. So that should look kind of cool. Not gonna lie. The microphone with the shock mount and the stand. Yeah, but and we get a cable. Oh, anything else in the box? I wonder if this mic could come on. It can. It actually feel like too, you know, be like it actually got that's plastic, a plasticky feel, but it don't feel cheap. I mean, it costs $30, but it don't feel cheap. This look nice. I like the color. I like bro. All right, we get you back in this. I mean, the overall look of it is actually kind of cool for real though. I'm not gonna lie, this is tough, bro. And it's sturdy, you know what I mean? It just looks sturdy. It look good, like. It look good, fam. You know what I mean? So I wanna see if it actually picks up. Right now, I wanna record what the raw audio of this microphone sounds like. I wanna show you guys the difference, right, between recording on the iPhone microphone and recording on this bad boy. Hopefully there's a big difference. You understand? So we're gonna hit record. We're gonna say a few lines like, you know, Jack and Jill went up the hill and that girl boxy cross, they're just brawling. Cheese on. So now we're gonna play over for you guys just to show you guys the difference in how it actually sounds. We're gonna say a few lines like, you know, Jack and Jill went up the hill and that girl boxy cross, they're just brawling. Jeez on. We back on the microphone on the iPhone. Yeah, that's just to show you guys how it actually sounds and before any editing and stuff. So now I'm gonna record again and you guys will probably hear this for the rest of the video.
This is what the mic sounds like post audio. You might hear a little bit deeper bass. To me it sounds nice, and she's a beauty, man. She is a beauty. Just look at it, B. Just look at it. for me personally, best mic under 30 US, hands down. To give it a rating now, out of 5, honestly, I would give this mic a solid 4.5 out of 5. 1, because of the price range. 2, because of just how it look. 3, bro, this mic's raw audio sounds amazing, and for 30 US, dog, you can't compare. You understand? So if you find any value in this video, fam, like if you like the mic, if you decide to check it out for yourself, drop a like, drop a subscribe, hit the bell notification, because the next video coming, we'll be doing a tutorial on how to edit your voice for your videos, voiceovers, everything. I don't think I spent enough time working with the mic to see where there are faults, or I can't hear it as yet. And before you leave, guys, we all know at the end of the video, I have to drop at least one thing, whether it's a business, artist that we need to pay attention to. So, Big Brother Plu, the Medi, that song is a banger, bro. If you ain't listened to it yet, check it out on Audio Mac. I'm gonna probably put a little thing up here. Check it out on Audio Mac. YouTube, that song tough, bro. And just by the way, we hit 50 subscribers, so shout out to everybody who subscribed to the channel. You know, I appreciate you guys all the time. You know, thanks for supporting me. So because of that, I wanna give back. You understand? Because I get this new mic, I'm willing to do 2 free voiceovers advertisements for 2 businesses, a DJ. If you want to shout out a drop, just 2 people. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but pay attention to my socials. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram, and yeah, I'm willing to do that for free, fam. You understand? Just so we can get the practice and everything, because this is a journey, and I'm real thankful for how far I came. It's amazing the things you could do with such limited resources, yeah. So try to make the most of everything you got. You understand? So yeah, don't forget, if you found any value, subscribe, post notifications, because the next time we coming out, we coming with that tutorial. So it's your boy DJ Shmood, and we outside but inside.
But I know they can't hold me back. Haha. I just protect my life, otherwise your mother take it. Going for my goals on the prairie, never make it. Pretty brand and clothes, you wish you see me naked. Smile on my face every day, you hating. I can't let them know about the money that they make. Can't stay far from the fate, and I counsel with the real thing. Think I never ever stop the blessings or the ratings. One of a kind, never replace him. Tell them the media is to get my money long enough.